My last package has arrived for the rest of the few months. I'm waiting till November until I get more eBay speakers, possibly though. This might be the last package for the year though. But I'm still gonna continue to trash pick and stuff. This is from one of my fellow YouTube friends. So I'm gonna box the speakers. These are good speakers. So let's move on. I got the shipping labels off, so I want everything to be private. Something seems, oh, maybe. Here's some Westra woofers. One of these pretty nice little 4.5-inch woofers, mid woofers, I would say. They're not woofers, they're small woofers. Yeah, these emit like mid frequencies, unlike woofers. These are called mid woofers. So these are 8-ohm woofers, mid woofers. They're pretty nice. Here's some Pioneer woofers. They're different than the black one I had. So there's nothing else in the box, but I got 6 total woofers and mid woofers. So I'm gonna pause the video and cut all these sandwich ties. I'm not gonna keep going because I don't want the video to be too long. It'll take forever to cut those. So I'll pause the video. So I got the speakers all untied and stuff. The Pioneer woofers appear to be completely okay. Good condition. I'm impressed. They're very nice little woofers. Yeah, 6.5 ohms. One brush woofers in pretty good shape. Barely any tears. None of these have tears though. And these just have a couple dented dust caps. I can just fix these. Just this has a little bit of dents. Shouldn't affect anything. I'm not gonna blow it up or anything. It's pretty nice. Yeah, I don't like blowing speakers up too much. Yeah, it makes people sad. They're still part of the zip tie though. But it's all like completely open up and stuff. It's all untied. So yes, I got 6 pretty good woofers. I'm just gonna grab a piece of like tape and just pull out the dust cap. It seems quite easy though. So I have 3 completely good Westra woofers and 2 good Pioneers. I just don't know why there's a little bit of dents in the cone. It's just probably the shipping though. But yes, thanks for watching.